chemistry peeps, color here, we're doing solutions 3.2 module. This is calculations for solutions. So I've written just a couple things down to start with. Always start with what you know as a reminder, and I feel like I've said this a bazillion times, okay? And I wanted to remind you about what the definition of concentration is. Relationship between the amount of solute and the amount of this solution. That's basically what the concentration is. Like I said in the last video, you could technically measure that if you are making some sort of powder drink, okay? And for these, you definitely have to know the molar mass of the solute. So we're going to have to do some calculating from our handy-dandy periodic table to be able to do that, okay? So in the first one, if 23.5 grams of sodium chloride is dissolved in enough water to make 0.683 liters of solution. Well, I know I'm going to need the molar mass of NaCl, so I just went ahead and calculated it. So if you add up the atomic mass for Na sodium and the atomic mass for chlorine, you should get 58.44. Now, you might see this different on papers from other places on the internet because people round up or round down. As long as it's close, it's fine because everybody's periodic table seems to be just a tiny little bit different, okay? All right, so the first thing it's talking about is what's the molarity of the solution? Well, again, start with what you know. It gave us 23.5 grams. So I'm going to put 23.5 grams first, okay? And then what do? I'm going to write that NaCl, okay? All right. Now I'm going to, using my handy dandy map, 1 mole of NaCl, okay, over my molar mass, which is 58.44 grams of NaCl, okay, and that's going to equal, if I did my math correctly, and I want you to see how this cancels out. The grams of NaCl cancel, because they're up there and down there. So what's left is moles. So 0.402 moles of NaCl. Okay. All right. Now what do? We still have to get the molarity. So how do we get the molarity? Okay. We got to take this moles of solute, and I didn't leave myself very much room, did I? So we have to take this moles of solute and divide it by the solution, and here's our solution right here, okay? So 0.402 divided by 0.683 liters should equal, if I did my math right, 0.589. Okay, and so that's going to be your molarity of the solution. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Of course, let me know if you have questions. Okay, so how many moles of NaCl are contained in this liter of the above Na solution? Okay, so what we need there is we're going to start with the solution this time. Okay, so 0.0100 liters of solution. Okay, and now we are going to take that moles right there of NaCl. So 0.589 moles of NaCl. And we're going to put that over liter of solution. Okay, and we should come up with 0.00589 moles of NaCl. Correct my math if I messed up. Okay, now it's asking for what volume of this NaCl solution would contain 0.200 moles of NaCl. What volume? Okay, so again, start with what you know. and it gave us 0.200 moles of NaCl. Okay, and the next thing you would do would put concentration of the solution. So we're going to have liters of solution here over 0.589 moles of NaCl, and that should come out to be 0.340 liters of solution. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. 2 and 3 work the same way. If you have any questions, let me know, and as soon as you turn this in, I will send you the answer key.